The blind-based corner kitchen cabinet raises many questions from our customers. Frankly, it is a bit challenging to understand if you don't have cabinetry experience. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you some mistakes folks typically make when purchasing and installing this cabinet. First off, let me explain what this cabinet is and how it functions. Typically, it has one drawer on top, one door on the bottom. The door itself can be hinged on the left or the right based on your preference. The cabinet itself is also interchangeable, allowing you to add the blind section on either the left or the right. This cabinet comes in multiple sizes, ranging from 27 inches wide to 39 inches. The larger the size, well, the bigger the opening and the drawer. There is an integrated filler running down the middle. I will get into its purpose later in the video, so it all makes sense. Now, here is where people typically make mistakes when purchasing and installing this cabinet. The integrated filler running right down the middle is used so it can be pulled out away from the wall, bypassing any obstacles so the drawer and the door can function properly. We suggest moving the cabinet 3 to 6 inches away from the corner wall. If you do not, the drawer and the door may not be operational. Let me explain. If you have 39 inches of space and you choose the 39-inch blind-based corner, it simply will not function as it will hit the adjacent cabinet handles. For 39 inches of space, we suggest going a size down. In this scenario, bigger is not better. Second mistake we typically see, not using enough filler between the blind-based corner and the adjacent cabinet. Skipping this step will ensure your adjacent cabinet door and handle hits the blind base every time. For all this to properly work, you must use a 3-inch filler, not 1.5, not 2. In this scenario, the household wanted a larger sink and chose 1.5-inch fillers on each side. Well, this is what happens. Third mistake, choosing a small blind-based corner cabinet. Keep in mind, on our smallest BBC, the opening is only 9 inches, something to highly consider. This cabinet can be used in smaller kitchens, but the major drawback is you will barely be able to access the goods hidden in the back. Short video, but I really hope it clears up some confusion. I suggest getting a free kitchen design before making any decisions. Log on to ABCabinetry.com, follow the simple steps we've outlined to gather some dimensions for our team. In 48 hours, you will have a rough draft of your new kitchen and renderings. From there, it can be tweaked until you are satisfied. Thank you so much for watching. If you received any value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Thank you and bye-bye.